What we need to do today is review and develop a list of criticisms that we had on the student presentations from last week, if you recall. Earlier today, I met with the building committee on this particular project, the National State Community College Wellness Center.
I mean, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. The walls keep changing every 6 feet, look like.
Basically, he's put a corner for every room.
Yes, that's true. Good point.
So what we need to do...
The students had presented some schematic designs, and the committee rejected all 3. Okay, I met with the building committee, and they rejected all 3 schemes, so we don't have a plausible scheme at this point. The building committee decided to give the students some general directions.
The locker rooms, the restrooms, and the showers are in 3 different locations.
We need to combine some of the spaces.
You could just combine the boxing and the yoga room and just classify that under the multi-purpose room.
Yeah, I can't see why you would need a boxing room and a yoga room anyway.
So you also need to look at the appropriate locations. You don't want the boxing right up the front where it's the first thing they see when they come in. You don't want the offices at the back.
We need to develop a procession as we enter the building.
So if you just move the entry over a little bit, and they can walk in. This is the offices, they'll see the glass, but as they walk around, because this will still be open here.
Reduce the number of hallways because they're basically wasted space.
Another criticism was the square footage.
Maybe we could take some of the square footage and use the slope site to maybe build higher rather than spreading out, and therefore...
The students need to redirect their efforts and come up with a new basic scheme, and that scheme will be open to, again, criticism, and also be open to changes. It's a continuous process, and that's how we'll do it.